I am going to share you the ultimate teaching of Nisargadatta Maharaj. You know, Nisargadatta Maharaj met his guru once, and his guru said, Aham Brahmasmi, I am that, you are that. Abide in I am that. And what is the I am that? I am that I am. What is the meaning? What is that I? You know, there is a verbal I. That I am experience this, made up of thoughts, mind, all the your intuition, insight, perception. There is a non-verbal I, the I on which everything is happening, and it's not individual I. It's the I which is the center of all the experience. And you don't have to say this and that, if, what, you know. You just have to remain with this I am that. This I am that. No conclusion, no theory, no concept. Nisargadatta Maharaj said, there is nothing as person. There is no birth, no death. It's all our illusion. And enlightenment is not gradual. It's already there. You are already that. I am that. Just remain with it. And everything is false. Don't go in any conclusion. Don't try to inquire about anything. Just be in a conceptless state. That conceptless state which is you are. The baseless substratum, the foundation, which is totally infinite, and you are formless with no name. All the name, all the form, all the identity, it's physical and psychological. The name you got, the name you got, the experiences you are getting from your life, it's not you. It's just an illusion. You are behind all these things. You are beyond all these things. And what you are the actual I. You know, Upanishad said already in Mahavakya, the Mahavakya, 4 Mahavakyas are very popular. The number 1, I am that, I am that, which means Am Brahmasmi. Then the next, which is Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi is that. What the Tattvamasi? Tattvamasi, that you are. Prajnanam Brahm. Prajnanam Brahm. I am the ultimate reality. Aham Atma Asti. I am Atman. And what is that Atman or Brahman? It's infinite. And you are that. You are already that. But why you don't get it? Because you are already conditioned. You are caught up in this knowledge of all the religions, in the knowledge of philosophy, psychology, spirituality, rituals. You are all disturbed in it. You are all quoting it. No, no, no. You are making a mistake. You are not person. There is nothing as person. There is nothing as individual being. There is nothing as body. You are in a verbal I right now. That I am this and that, my birth, my death, I want freedom, all these things. No. This is not reality. The reality is where you are effortless, where you are completely choiceless, where you are conceptless, where there is no image, there is no experience, there is no you even, not you. When you are not you, you are already that. You know, Stephen Walensky explained in his book, I am that I am. And I am telling you the ultimate thing. What is the ultimate thing? Is that this I generating in you. You know, when a baby is born, all the cells work towards a common goal, all the digestion, all the organs, and this collective intelligence of the cells produce the physical I for your survival. But this physical I, suddenly, it gradually form a psychological me, psychological I. Thus, I am in this world, I am experiencing this world. But this is not the case. This is just a illusion. And in this illusion, we all are trapped. We all are in this matrix. So, how to overcome this matrix? how we can just escape this matrix, break the code of the matrix. I am giving the red pill. What is that red pill? The red pill is that you are already that. Don't make any kind of effort. Don't make. Just reject what you are not. Neti neti. In a Sanskrit, in Upanishad, this is called as neti neti. Or reject all the things which you are watching, seeing, experiencing, listening. No, you are not that. Then you come to a point where there is no more rejection and where you are infinite. You are actually that. You are actually timeless, formless, beyond body and mind. You are already that. You are that. You don't have to make any effort. The effort is doing the mind. The action is doing the body and the mind. It's all the action. You are not the doer. The doer is body. Why are you affected by the doer of your body, the survival, or the mind which is here and there, wander everywhere? Don't react over that. Don't react over the body. Just abide in this. I am that. Just I am that. You are already that. You are that. Yes, that. Yes, I am formless. Why you are making all the efforts if you are already that? Why all the struggle? Why all the choices? Why you always say, I am born, I will die, I am here between in this trap of death and birth? It's all the sense of Maya. It's all the illusion. You don't make any effort. When you don't make any effort, you are already there. But effort is of the mind. Effort is of the thought. Effort is the illusion. When you trapped in this illusion, the illusion will goes on, move on. And this illusion when move on, you will get the continuity. You will get the manifestation, which is the fake manifestation. Just realize, Nisargadatta Maharaj means once in meet once his guru only a one time, and in that one time he got instant realization. Why? Because his guru don't say anything to seek, to realize, to watch, to perform this ritual, that. Just his guru said, why are you so much struggling? You are that. I am already that. When you are already that, why so many efforts? You are beyond time. You are beyond measure. You are infinite. You are shunya. You are nothingness. You are never born. Will never die. You will eternal. Are eternal. Was eternal. So that's why there is no concept here. There is no teaching or learning here. All the teaching, all the learning are just here to confuse you more. Just be here and now, because you are already that. In that, there is pure awareness, there is pure consciousness, and that consciousness unknown, that's formless. This known you are watching is just a minute part, a just 0.1% of this unknown, this vastness, this whole cosmos. And because you are an intelligent human being, and human beings evolved in that way because we all fear survival. That's why we all got this instinct. But this instinct, this survival instinct, are entering in this psychological survival. That what will happen in the future? I was that, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to understand this. No, you are in a wrong path. No, you don't have to do anything. Just be here and now. Just the pure presence. The presence which is now. Don't get trapped. Don't get caught up in the intellectual understanding. Don't trap yourself in words, in shallow words. The words are not the reality. The word is not a thing. The word is just an old information of the reality which you are facing, which you are watching. So, just be here and now. Just feel the sensation in the body. Remain with the thought. Don't react. You are already in that awareness. And which is you are. The pure consciousness. The consciousness which is not affected by body and mind. Which is beyond all the doshas. All the modes of ignorance, the mode of goodness, and the mode of laziness, or you can say, the mode of passion. This is what Nisargadatta Maharaj is telling. So, if you are interested to understand more all these concepts, I have prepared a course where you can understand these basic concepts in a 24 videos. Meditation, awareness, who am I, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, etc. Along with 10 plus guided meditation videos. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number is given. Write it 9773529489. I am giving this WhatsApp number in my description, from where you can join my course. Thank you very much.